Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do is show you how to transfer your first semester homepage and some of your course settings to your second semester so you don't have to redo them. The first thing you want to do is just get this number right here. That's your course number, so get your first semester course number and just copy it. And then you're going to go back to your dashboard and go to where your unpublished courses are. This is your first semester course. And what you're going to do is go to import existing content. And we are going to go over here. We're going to select copy a Canvas course. You're going to find your course by just copying and pasting that number. It's going to come up and you are going to do specific content because we're not copying the whole course. We're just copying specific content. And then you will hit import and you're going to select your content. So you're going to select your course settings. You're going to select your syllabus body. In your modules, click on the arrow. You're going to do your TAP module and your welcome module. And then you are going to any pages, go here to pages, and we're going to find our home page. That's one that probably says your teacher name. So you'll click all of those and just select content, and that will work and get your copy over here copied to your second semester content so that you don't have to redo everything. Let us know if you have any questions.